Welcome back to the grand finale of our color adventure. Today is the big day. We're going to test your color skills with a super fun quiz and learn some color magic. Are you ready to play? Let's go! Quiz time! I will show you an object and you have to shout the color as loud as you can. Ready? Go! What color is this? Red! This one? Blue! And this? Green! What about the sun? Yellow! You're doing amazing! Give yourselves a big clap! Keep going, color superstars! What color are these grapes? Purple! And the carrot? Orange! How about the flamingo? Pink! And the fuzzy bear? Brown! Wow! You got them all! You are officially color experts! Now for some color magic! Did you know you can make new colors? Mix red and yellow to get orange. Mix blue and yellow to get green. And red and blue make purple. It's like magic. Try mixing your paints at home to see what you can create. What an incredible adventure! We learned so many colors together. I'm so proud of you. Join us next time on Chintu Kids TV for our new ABC adventure. See you soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.